First day of school, let's go.
Welcome to 2025, 2026 academic school year.
How long will it take for everything?
So, saan ka pupunta? Ano masasabi mo, Bianca?
It's too sweet. What type of matcha I'm into?
Yes.
Matcha sang... Alden, ikaw ba? Mic check. Ako si Bianca.
And I am Limers. And welcome. Okay, take two. Again. One, two. Intro and go.
Hi, I'm Bianca.
And I am Limer.
And I'm Kelsey.
And welcome to our podcast. Okay, malakas na pala. Okay, so, yung podcast about namin is about ratings. Parang hindi magtuno gani. About, okay, about sa podcast namin is mag-rate kami sa cafe na ito, which is Click Click. Mabilis ang rating lang pa. So, ako yung questionnaire. So, okay, about questionnaire as in ako yung test paper. Okay. For the ratings, we have the first is the food anay. 1, 2, 3, go. For food.
Matcha. Masarap. Pero I think it's too sweet for my taste. Pero I'm not saying it's not good. Masarap siya.
Ice biscuit.
8/10. That's all.
Mine is 11 out of 10 because for its price, it's so very worth it and it's reached my expectation that it's not too sweet and it's not too dark. Second is 1, 2, 3 is the ambience or the place. 1, 2, 3, go.
7/10. 10.
10. Why? The reason. Yes, because it has a photo booth and it's made.
Okay, if magdadebate tayo sa ganun, 10 din ako. Pero like, it's too maingay for me, I think. Pero vibe siya, mababait din yung staff.
Okay, next rating is about the staff. So the staff was good. Okay, next, ikaw na, Bianca. 1, 2, 3, go.
Anong staff? 10/10. 10. Over 10.
Bakit 10? Dapat 1 million. Hindi, may overall pa. Overall rating. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
10.
11? Ba't 10 lang? Dapat 11. Okay, this coffee shop was a perfect score for us. Exam pa tayo. Parang walang exam ah. Time check 3:55. We have 5 minutes before magkata sa room nga may exam kami.
naman sa Mexican.
Feel na feel yung hangin. Okay, saan tayo pupunta? Kasi mga indecisive, ang ba nila mapa-airport pero hindi
Kuya, ang saya magkanto-ganto yung podcast ko.
Hello everyone, this is
Kelsey. Bianca.
and Limer and welcome back to our
Ratings ng mga kapan sa Iloilo. Okay, go. First sip.
first sip. Masarap siya kaso maliit yung servings. For the price of it's 190.
Parang literal na isang potato lang talaga yung ginamit.
Atin namang ratings. Let's start with the foods and drink. 1, 2, 3, go. 7 out of 10. Maliit. Parang masarap naman pero kulang pero bitin.
5. Para lang siyang normal na pata. Nor.
No comment. Okay, next is drink. 1, 2, 3, go. 8 out of 10. Masarap yung akin. Ay, yung kay Bianca and akin.
I like na matcha. Para siyang Starbucks levels and super pure na matcha. Like, so, 9. 10. Same. Sa tala na coffee nga ano yung order ko? Sorry.
Caramel macchiato. Okay. Ano naman? Overall. 1, 2, 3, go. 9.5 out of 10. Perfect sana kung masarap yung, I mean kung worth the price yung potato badges.
Ano rating mo?
8.5.10.
8. 10.
Wow.
Masarap lang. At saka hindi siya super crowded today.
Yes, today. Gastos naman. Pag-apa,
You only live once, you know.
Correct. What if mo matay bukas, Joe? Pero yan yung will sa'yo ni Lord. Binili talaga sa'yo. Diba? Tapos magpupost na lang. Mabait yung bata na yun. Aga pa namatay.
Naging kwento.
Ay!
Kiss ka kaya sa lips. Kiss. Pero kanina wala nag-reklamo ka na.
1, 3, go. Ay, ayaw!
Cross this list. Ano ayaw sa sapatos ko? Wait lang man. Ano masay mo sa place?
Yung place, overall vibes is parang ang light sa feed.
So today is my 4th day of coffee shop this week. And ang vlog ko subong is hindi na lang first week of class, hindi na lang first week of class. A week of coffee na lang. So here's our food, guys.
Ako yung food.
Ay, ito pala. Sorry. Nagkamali.
Let's try the egg tart.
Evil eye ka.
Barang ka, barang ka.
Evil eye ka, evil eye ka. Libat, cheers! Ang sarap ng balot.
Sobrang sarap ng
Napakasarap
balot.
talaga.
Ilang months na ako nag-aantay makatikim ng egg tart sa Iloilo. I love it. Babalik ako dito.
Ako din, I think last month ko pa ito ginaprave ang egg tart. Pero ibang...
Egg yung natikman ko.
Kakaantay ko.
Oh, go ratings na. Mabilis ang ratings.
Ang drink.
Drinks muna.
Drinks. Rate 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, go.
5, 7, 8, 8, 8. Ay, no, 6, 6.
5.5. Why? 5.5. Why?
Ang masama niya pa isang 48. Medyo wala siyang... Medyo walang lasa.
Bet ko, pero not my type. Okay, food. 1, 2, 3, go. Food. Lahat. Egg tart. 1, 2, 3, go. 10 out of 10.
10, 11,
Okay, next is the french fries. 1, 2, 3, go. 7.
7, 6.5.
Okay, for the place. 1, 2, 3, go. 8 place lang muna. 1, 2, 3, go. 8.9 over 10.
7, 8,
Overall. 1, 2, 3, go. 8, 10.
8, 8.
Done juicy. Klase na naman.
Ano yan?
Hi, Leonard.
Dito na... Hi guys! Welcome to our...
Done juicy sauce. Klase na naman.
Kasi na naman kami...
Mas dismiss early pa. 20 minutes lang. So, early out, nag-dismiss si sir. Pero, mapa-airport kami kayo, may nalakas kaming flight. Kasi punta kami kayo dun sa Bangka. Yan. Ano na, nag-early out, sir ba? Wala kang extra nga 2 early gits Airport. Ako na lang dire. Andito na kami and ewan ko kung anong pinanggagawa namin sa buhay namin.
I miss you.
Alam mo, kabalo ka ng mga type naman sa life namin. Basta go lang.
Hanggat may pera.
Yes, hanggat buhay ka pa at hanggat may pera ka pa.
Tama.
Do everything. So parang lahat ng tao tumitingin sa atin kasi naka-uniform pa kami. I think matabok ta guys.
Ikaw lang.
Doon no?
Oo, doon may CR doon.
So here na us and kita mo ang mga views. Pumunta talaga kami dito para lang sa ganitong view. Gusto lang namin na may airplane sa harap namin and even though na may flower din sa mismo sa school namin sa may flower din, pero pumunta pa kami here just to try and have this view.
Nakita ko lang. Rinig niyo yun guys, sabi ko. Next story time. For the whole week kasi, nag-start ng Monday. Actually, hindi siya planado. Cafe lang kami ng cafe until sinagad na namin at nag-cafe na kami. Nag-cafe na kami for the whole week. So, Friday na ngayon. And then dito kami sa airport, sa FLAR. Kahit may FLAR naman sa school, like literal na nasa school namin. Pero, since bored na kami sa city, pumunta kami sa airport para maiba naman yung view at sinagad na namin. Okay, sabi ko, next balik namin sa airport, dapat nakabook na kami ng flight papunta somewhere. Try mag-coffee lang. Hindi, huwag tayo mag-promise. Gawin na lang natin. Ayan, oh, yung may-ari ng vlog, ako yung pinapasalita, oh.
Grabe naman tong friendship na ito, bes. Magtatambay dito pa talaga sa airport at gabi pa talaga.
Let's go. Bye-bye!
done.
Mar! Mar!
Hi, Lar. Pinky promise.